Welcome to Working with Lead Exposure in Construction Environments, an interactive training program.
This course is available with closed captioning. Would you like to enable closed captioning? This course describes the training required by the OSHA Lead Standards, explains the health risks associated with lead exposure, describes how to protect yourself from overexposure to lead, and defines your rights under OSHA's lead standards. Press the forward hand to continue.
Press the forward hand to begin the introduction to Working with Lead Exposure in Construction Environments.
At the end of this topic, you should be able to describe the activities covered by the OSHA Lead Standards for construction and general industry, and identify the type of information that must be given to employees about working with lead. Press the forward hand to continue.
Lead is a base metal with many uses in industry and in construction. However, lead is also a toxic substance that can cause serious health problems. For this reason, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration has instituted 2 standards to train, monitor, and protect workers who could be exposed to lead on the job. 29 CFR 1926.62 is the interim final rule for lead in construction. This standard covers activities such as the renovation or demolition of structures where lead materials such as old paint are present, the removal of lead-based paint from steel structures such as bridges and tanks, and construction projects involving lead materials such as building X-ray rooms. 29 CFR 1910.1025 covers the use of lead in general industry, including primary and secondary lead smelting, the manufacturing and use of lead-based pigments, including some printing processes, and the manufacturing and recycling of lead batteries. Although these 2 standards address different types of work environments, they contain many similarities.
Okay, thanks for coming today. This is the Department of Labor's 29 CFR part.
The OSHA Lead Standards require employers to set up training programs for workers who may be exposed to certain amounts of lead. As part of this mandatory training, you will learn about the health effects and risks of lead exposure, the function and purpose of your company's medical surveillance program, the content of your employer's exposure control plan, and the air monitoring procedures used to measure lead in your workplace. You will also receive information regarding the use and maintenance of respirators, cleaning facilities and practices used for personal hygiene and work area housekeeping, the purpose and function of medical removal protection, and the medical removal protection benefits that you may become eligible to receive. Your employer must provide you with this required training and information before you can begin work. You must also periodically participate in refresher training during the time you are exposed to lead.
Okay, thanks for coming today. This is the Department of Labor's 29 CFR part.
The OSHA Lead Standards require employers to set up training programs for workers who may be exposed to certain amounts of lead.
Click on the topic you want to review. If you do not want to review a topic, press the forward hand to continue. You will now be given a brief test to see what you have learned. This test consists of 3 questions. If you answer 2 or more of the questions correctly, you will advance to the next topic. If you do not, you will automatically review the current topic. Please press the forward hand to take the topic test.